Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial, and today we're going to show you how to get plane in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. All you have to do is follow step by step. Firstly, we're going to start with water and more water to have lake. We add lake again to have ocean. Put the ocean aside. Now we add earth and then earth to have mountain. Add the mountain to the ocean, we have island. Add island again to have continent. And add mountain to the continent, we have Asia. Now we add earth to Asia and we have China. Add wind and we have kite, and then wind again to have flying. We have kite to the flying, we have bird, and flying again we have plane. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.